Test we are done. Name of the test. D'Alembert ratio test. Correct or not? Now tell me that is what is the condition given. Series positive terms u1, u2 up to un, that's up to infinite terms. Then you can prepare limit n tends to infinity un plus 1, n plus 1, n plus 1 the term divided by un. If less than 1 means what? The series is convergent. Limit n tends to infinity un plus 1 by n is greater than 1, then series is divergent. Is equal to 1 means what? Test fails. In this case, we can go for the comparison test. Correct or not? Now, you can see now few problems we do. Test the convergence of series. So how they are forming the terms, how they are framed 1 by 1, 1 by 1 into 2, 1 by 1 into 2 into 3, and the term is what? 1 by 1 into 2 into 3 into up to n. So this how can you write?
1 by n factorial.
Very good. Un is equal to 1 by n factorial. Un plus 1. Un plus 1.
1 by n plus 1 whole factorial.
Still, so many people have to turn out. Very less students are there. You have class, after lunch, 47 students are there, including my 2 devices. See, cycle test 3, there is a confusion. Timing you can prepare actually. They are telling, some people telling 4 and 5 and 4th unit and 5th unit. Some people they are telling full in first to 5th. I will tell you next class, maybe I will clarity I will give. But timing you can 4th and 5th you can prepare. Simultaneously that also can prepare. Already 1, 2, 3 you know, well and know. So maybe they may go by code tantra like your final exam for a practicing purpose. Or maybe Google Meet. Still there is a confusion. Once if the clarity comes, again I will tell you. Timing and prepare 4 and 5 well. Then see that time is there 1, 2, 3 also. Still there is a confusion. So prepare well. When is your exam actually? Cycle test. Cycle test timetable has come or not? When it starts actually like exams?
Sir, it starts on 12th February.
February 12th. February 12th or 10th?
Sir, 12th, sir.
12th may be A slot means what? Suppose 13th B means 14th may be C slot. 14th you may get actually. No, that's common test, they may give timetable maybe. So there is no classes, and they will put a timetable like a final exam they will do. So a lot of things will happen. Okay. You may get maybe in between 12 and 15, one day you will get maths, no doubt. And cycle test one also I posted in Zoho. Maybe you can able to access or not, I don't know Zoho. Just you can check whether it's correctly we posted or not. From URP to Zoho we are changing. Zoho is a old thing. I posted in cycle test 1 marks. Just you can check. Can you able to see Zoho? Is the access is there for you? Hello?
No, sir.
Okay. Then one thing I will do. I will take a printout. I will send you. Okay. In group something I will put, just you can check. Any variation means immediately can tell me. It won't come 99% variation. Maybe for a typo error something comes, just you can inform me. Cycle test URP2 they are changing to Joho actually. Joho is what actually old pattern for already what they are following for our seniors. The same thing they are following. Correct or not? Now this you can problem find out. Now what by D-element ratio test what you will do? Limit n tends to infinity. What you will get? This is how you will write.
We can write
So
n
n
plus
plus 1
factorial
factorial can be
equals to n
expanded.
plus 1 into n factorial.
Very good. N plus 1 into
N factorial.
Acha, something vendor mistake we have done. Nobody is telling. N n plus 1 by n what will you get? What is n plus 1? Just n plus 1 factorial. Huh? See problem?
N plus 1 into n factorial.
No. What question I asked? Just listen properly. What is un?
1 by n factorial.
That 1 by will speak slot, you know. Huh? Just not 1 factorial, correct or not? So un plus 1 what you will get? 1 by n plus 1 factorial or not? It's already correct written, but their substitution is wrongly written. So what we get actually? Okay, this become what? Now, if you check what you will get as you said actually, limit n tends to infinity, n factorial, this how can I write? N plus 1 into n factorial. So limit n tends to infinity by 1 by n plus. But 1 by infinity is equal to 0. So this is what? Less than 1. So from this what you will understand? Un is convergent. Who is my un? 1 by n factorial. Correct or not? There is a theorem on less than 1 means it is convergent. Now take. Got it or not? Any problem? Any doubts? 1 by n is divergent. Series of 1 by n that they will write actually n power p like this. That a proof also there given PDF. This you can check again if you want. Final I will go. For time being, we first complete the syllabus. Then we just revise, start revise. Take next problem. Test the convergence of the series. Test for the convergence of the series. 1 by 2, 2 by 2 square, plus 3 by 3 cube, n by Now here, who is UN?
N by 2 raised to the power n.
Very good. But better you can write by D. Albert's test, D. Albert ratio test, you just can mention, then you can write what is UN. Who is UN here? UN plus 1. What is UN plus 1?
N plus 1 by 2 power n plus 1.
Very good. Now write limit n tends to infinity. UN plus 1 by UN. That is equal to limit n tends to infinity. Who is my UN plus 1? N plus 1 divided by 2 to the power of n plus 1. Divided by means what? Make it reciprocal. So what you get? 2 to the power of n by n. Now simplify.
N plus 1 divided by 2n.
N plus 1 divided by 2n. This 2 to the power of n plus 1 of n, 2 power n into 2, 2 power n, 2 power n cancel. So balanced term is what? Limit n tends to infinity. What at the 1 plus 1 by 2. This 1 by 2 also you can take outside. Then what? Tell me next what?
Equals to 1 by 2.
So is what? This become actually they multiply this one. Or you
1
can use
plus 1 by n.
n by n plus 1 by n. So 1 plus 0, this is equal to so which is less than 1 or greater than 1?
Less than 1.
So immediately what you will take that given series is convergent. The same story, they can try this same. Please tell me. Try this. Now you will do.
So
Yes.
that 3 will become 1 by 3. Then we can take that out, and after that we can like expand the term n plus 1 ka whole square and divide by n square, then divide the each term. Then it will be 1 plus
Top
1.
1 plus.
So 1 by 3 will come outside.
Correct.
Then we
Then
can
expand
expand.
n plus 1 whole square expand like a formula.
Yes,
N
sir.
square to 2n plus 1. Okay, yeah.
1.
But each term divided by n square. Then what you will get? Answer is what?
Then 1 plus 1 by n plus 1 by n plus, sorry, 1 plus 2 by n plus 1 by n square.
Okay, limit if you apply, what will be balance?
1 by 3.
1 will remain, then we can, after multiplying by 1 by 3, the answer is 1 by 3.
Acha. That is 1 by 3 into 1. Inside only 1 you will get because n square by n square is 1. Remaining all terms become vanish. Correct or not? So it stands only 1. So 1 by 3 into 1 is 1 by 3. Which is less than 1 or greater than 1?
Less than 1.
So obviously what you will do by D-Albert's ratio test, the given UN is converge. Right. Okay. Now next problem you can take. It's a very good problem. Test the convergence of the series. Test the convergence of the series. Shall that off? Sigma n is running from 1 to infinity, n plus 1 by n into n plus 2 into e power of x power. Now try this. Tell me how to attack. Everything in your hand, just check and tell me. Completed. What you got?
X.
X. Then from this, how you will do? How you will decide?
If x less than 1, it is convergent series.
Ah,
And x greater than 1, divergent series. And if x equals to 0, test fail.
X is equal to 1, not 0. X is equal to 1 means what? We go for the comparison test. Limits we can go. V1, Vn, limit n tends to, we can prepare actually. Okay. Now how we build? X is equal to 1 means what you will get, you can see. What is the term En, you can see. Take Un is equal to n by n square. N by n square means 1 by n. So limit test you can check actually. Vn by Un is equal to, you will get finite value. 1 by n series will be divergence. Obviously, Un also diverges, you can say. Okay, like this you can prepare. Any doubt? Can I cut? Can I do? So D'Alembert test fail means what? You can go for the comparison test actually. Those who are not completed, just copy it out. Check, correct or not? So we can expand term by term, we can do it. Then if we expand what we do. take common n cube in both sides, what you will get? Now Bn, now you will choose x is equal to 1 means what? N plus 1 by n, n into n plus 2. So n by n square. So you can use Bn is equal to n by n square. That is 1 by n. So 1 by n series is divergence. But you can check actually ratio test. Un by plus Vn, you can prepare limit Vn by Un is equal to 1 by comparison test, limit test if you apply. So from this what you will get is equal to some finite value means what if Vn diverges automatically Un also diverges. So from this conclusion what you will go, and x is equal to 1, Un diverges. Note down. Okay, next problem you can try. Test the convergence of series. How many tests are there next? Almost completed. Log is test. test the convergence of yes. Any problem? Next class onwards, you have to check previously for all check and come. I'll explain one by one. Test for the convergence of series. Take this n cube plus 1, 0. Very good. Try this. Got it? What is answer? What is the answer? Just a simplification, limit simplification. What is the limit?
1 by
Doing
2.
very good. How? Nice. Excellent. Completed. What are you got? Tell me.
Taking n cube and 2 power n common.
Hmm? Okay. The numerator and denominator. Huh?
Hmm.
Then? No. What you got? UN plus 1 by UN?
1 by 2, sir.
No, before limit applying.
I solved after taking limit only.
Okay. That UN plus 1 by UN, what you got? After that only you will get limit, you know. For which term you are applying n tends to infinity?
UN plus 1 by UN.
Oh, that term is what I want. Finally. Directly from the beginning you apply limits. Huh?
Yes, sir.
So no simplification. Maybe you done n plus 1 whole cube plus 1 divided by n cube plus 1 2n plus 1 divided by 2 to the power of n plus 1 like this. Okay, yeah? After that, you are not simplified actually.
No, sir, I simplified.
Then what you got? That only I am asking.
1 plus 1 by n whole cube plus 1 by n cube into 1 plus 1 by 2 power n whole divided by 1 plus 1 by n cube into 2 plus 1 by 2 power n.
Super. Excellent. Time on. Okay. Once if you apply means what balance is what? Is equal to 1 by 2. If you apply limit, everything will be vanish. So balance term is what? 1 by 2. Nice. Now, this problem I can try, otherwise very good problem this is. Good problem. X comes only finally if it stands with x means what? Okay, you can say x less than 1, x greater than 1, x is equal to 1 means what? You go for the comparison test. Okay, yeah. Using that you can find out. Now do at least 141,
Present, sir.
42,
Present, sir.
43, 44, 45,
Present, sir.
46,
Present, sir.
47,
Present, sir.
48,
Present, sir.
49.
Present, sir.
Sir, Anupma is present.
Hey, don't send me here because I'm away from the mobile.
Sir, she wrote in the chat box. 143
Chat, that's
present.
what I'm telling. Really, see, social distance is there with me and mobile. I
Okay,
don't
sir.
want to come near. Mm.
Sir, I will tell you if someone writes in the chat box.
No, 146. 146. Given, you know. 147. 48.
Present, sir.
49.
Present, sir.
50.
Present, sir.
51.
Present, sir.
52. 53. 53 not there. 54.
Present, sir.
55.
Present, sir.
56. 57.
Present, sir.
58.
Present, sir.
59.
Present, sir.
60. 61.
Sir, 156 present, sir.
62.
Present, sir.
63.
Sir, 162 present.
63.
Present, sir.
64.
Present, sir.
65.
Present, sir.
66.
Present, sir.
67.
67 present, sir.
68.
Present, sir.
69. 70.
Present, sir.
71,
Present, sir.
72,
Present, sir.
73, 74,
Present, sir.
75, 76,
The
Present,
74 present, sir.
76,
Present, sir.
77,
Present, sir.
78,
Present, sir.
79,
Present, sir.
80,
Present, sir.
81,
Present, sir.
82,
Present, sir.
83,
Present, sir.
84,
Present, sir.
85,
Present, sir.
86,
Present, sir.
87,
Present, sir.
88,
Present, sir.
89,
Present, sir.
90,
Present, sir.
91,
Present, sir.
92, 93, 94,
Present, sir.
95,
Present, sir.
96,
Present, sir.
97, 98,
Present, sir.
99,
Present, sir.
200,
Present, sir.
201,
Present, sir.
202,
Present, sir.
203,
Present, sir.
204,
Present, sir.
205,
Present, sir.
206,
Present, sir.
207,
Present, sir.
208, present, 209, 209. Are you there? 209, 210,
Present, sir.
209 is there. Okay, can leave. Next class we can meet. They are the 3. Maybe alternate date, please leave or medical. 28th they are not decided leave or not, I don't know. If they leave decided means 29th we have class.
Sir, 192 present, sir.
1?
92.
Okay. What are you doing up to now?
Sir, I'm doing the problem that you gave, sir.
Completed, huh?
Yes, sir, completed, sir. Depend on X, sir.
After that also you have to explain actually, correct? Huh? To take VN
Yes, sir.
and UN comparison test you can do.
Okay, sir.
Comparison test VN you can take 1 by N per K you can take and try, okay?
Okay, sir.
Then you will get, tell me what you will get. Okay, then you people you can leave, sir. Anita Saida pattern only join.